So every now and then we have a toilet that seems to flush okay. We'll get backed up. Someone will plunge it. And it'll work okay until it's got solids put in it. A bunch of paper or other stuff. And at that point, it backs up. Sometimes you try to snake it. And in this case, I can feel something. Something's up in there. Every once in a while, soaps will fall in there and get stuck, and you can, with the toilet snake, you can usually knock them loose. There's usually some evidence on the end of the snake, a little springy deal like soap or something of that nature. In this case, I was able to clear it, and then I load tested it by loading it up with a bunch of toilet paper, and that's the telltale. If it won't flush a bunch of toilet paper, then there's a problem. So we're going to pull this toilet, and the joy of discovery, let's see what we can find in there. So this type of toilet has a larger bowl with more water in it. I'm going to go ahead and use a big shot vac and suck the water out of it. You're not going to take it a shot. You never know. Whatever's in there doesn't want to go that way. There's a slight chance it might come back this way. So I'm going to try to block that as I go and see if I can suck whatever's in there to where I can see what it is. Maybe I can grab a hold of it with some long pliers or something. If not, we'll pull the toilet. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, all I did was manage to make it stink in here. No success. Okay, well, that's interesting. I find nothing in the toilet, but see this? This is an offset flange. Offset flanges are not your friend. I gotta clear this whole section out of here because it's got a diminished diameter, and that, I believe, is enough to plug things up when it gets caught on all this. This is ridiculous that anybody would leave that like that. So I'm going to get, this is PVC. I think a hacksaw blade will do it. Well, so I just realized I forgot to do a little clip once I cleaned up that hole. Took a hacksaw blade to it, cut all the way around it, stuck this back on here, and put another nut on that side. What the important thing, load test. So load it full of toilet paper. Let's see if that works. Actually the second load test in a row, so I'm going to call that a good one. So quite interesting. I've had them do this before with that offset flange, and if you use the wax ring that has the little funnel shaped narrow part at the bottom of it, for the offset ones you have to cut half of that out of the way because that shrinks down the and I think I did a video on this before. You only have about this much room for everything to go out of. In this case now it's completely cut, smoothed out around to that 4-inch flange, nothing sticking out, grabbing anything. I wonder how long this toilet has been a problem, and everybody just keeps plunging it and thinking they got it. So yes, indeedy, I'm going to call that a win. And there's something to look for. All right, we're good to go.